Alright everybody, back at it again with another video. I'm here with Sydney.
Hello.
And so we're using the vlog camera, you know what I'm saying? We are headed to Bellevue because we're going to Microsoft 50th anniversary and partnering up with Avants. So, well, ETA here, 35 minutes. Lots of traffic because, you know, it's Bellevue. But, KA somewhere, wherever that is. Alright everybody, so we are 5 minutes out, or 5 minutes away now, and we just saw another fellow Avants member. Not sure what car it was though, but we are almost there. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. That's so sick. Oh, dude, that's so sick.
It's 5:40, doesn't it end at 7?
Yeah. Guys, we are here now, and so we gotta find a parking spot, but holy crap, dude. This is amazing. Oh, babe, this is so cool. Holy crap. Oh, babe, we gotta get this shot. Hang on. This is why I love this thing. I love this thing so much. Guys, this vlog camera is so, like, clutch. All right, let's go walk around. Let's get some. It might be copyright music, but let's go get some montage footage. Targa 4S, one of my dream cars. Okay, let's go find Mark here. Let's go this way, bro. we are almost halfway around the loop. We are almost done, and so we're just capturing more vehicles here. Oh, what? If anybody know what this badge means, please let me know. Nice ride.
Thank you very much. I
70
got really lucky with this car.
Oh, why is that?
Rust-free, adult-owned.
Mm-hmm.
It was always taken care of.
That's good. That's good. I don't know much about Trans Am, so I'm reading all this info.
Yeah.
That's, yeah.
Trans Ams come with a shaker. They come with a package of options, performance options mostly. Some are appearance.
Yeah. Did this one? So this the shaker came like from factory.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh wow. Oh my gosh. And like right now, as of right now, it has 66,000 miles on it.
Well, it's actually close to 80 now.
80. Well, that's still low. That's still pretty low. What made you want to be into these cars?
I don't know. The funny thing is, I did not go through a phase when I was younger. I didn't get interested in this stuff till I was in my mid-40s.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
A buddy of mine down in suburbs of Portland.
Yeah.
He had a bunch of old cars, and I'd go down and visit him, and I'd look at his cars. But
Yeah.
never thought about even owning it. It just was, it was just something to look at.
Right.
One time I went, and he had a triple black '65 Le Mans convertible, and I looked at that, and I said, I'd like to have something like that. So I started looking. And I'd always liked Corvettes.
Yeah.
A friend of mine had 2 GTOs, actually 3 GTOs, brand new.
Is that a different, like, is a GTO similar to the Trans Am?
Well, a GTO this is the F body, the small car.
Uh-huh.
A body is the midsize.
Okay.
The bottom one is Tempest,
Mhm.
Le Mans, GTO.
Oh,
They're all A bodies.
Got you.
They're all the same basic platform,
Mhm.
but the GTO comes with more candy and performance stuff.
Right. Okay.
You know, so I was looking for a 67 GTO. I wound up buying a 69 convertible.
Damn.
And then a friend of mine who had one of these
Mhm.
took me for a ride in his car. He said, geez, I got to get this. So I started looking. And a friend of mine found this. It was down in Bend, Oregon.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, yeah. No, I guess you really
But it
did
was,
get lucky.
you know, again, it was always adult owned
Mhm.
and cared for.
What
Yeah.
year? What year did you buy this? Like.
1999.
Oh, okay. So the price must be like lower than back then.
Yeah,
'cause-
I paid $14,800 for the car.
so now it's probably worth like.
I would say now it would probably bring 100 G's.
No way. Is this actually that? What?
Yeah, a blue one
What? Oh my god.
in really nice shape
What?
with a 4-speed.
That's crazy.
I would say you could probably get 100. You know, looking at the auction results and stuff. If you start looking, you'll find it.
Cool. That was awesome. Thank you for talking.
Anytime.
My name's Sergeant, by the way. Nice to meet you.
Search. All right.
Yeah.
Larry Moore.